Alright guys, it's another Friday retro rehome day. We had to go pick up our 7800. We got the power cord attached. We'll test it out in a little bit. Now with that, I got a couple Ataris and a 7800 game. So we got Flash Gordon, Raiders Lost Ark, Enduro, and Robotron 2084. And I got a Radio Shack controller and some other paddles for our 2600. What'd you get for your PlayStation 4?
I just got some PS4 games I really wanted and needed. I got Shadow of Mordor, which is supposed to be really good. Takes place in the universe Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, Rod was saying that's a good one.
Yeah, Death Stranding.
Yeah.
I've heard it was a good game. And Horizon Zero Dawn.
Yeah.
Spyro Ignited. SpongeBob. Got to get some platformers.
And then you got the Donkey Kong Country 2.
And Mega Man 2.
Mega Man 2. And then we got some cheapies.
NES
fill the void. We did pretty good today. Yeah, we talked to Rod about filming inside there. He said, yeah, go right ahead. So next time we go there, we'll get a good shot of the inside. You guys can see what the heck we see there. It's freaking awesome. He's got consoles everywhere and coin-op arcade units, and it's not a huge room, but it's got a lot of stuff. So next time we'll get some good footage there. So that's all we got for now. We'll do some Let's Play probably on the 7800 today. A little later on, we'll be at the end of this or whatnot. So make sure you go over and check out Retro Rehome if you get a chance. It was what, $150 with fixing this or something like that, somewhere in there.
85 and 80. So
yeah, so 165, which isn't bad considering, those are all what, $10 a game.
Yeah, $10 a game.
It's $30 for my
Mega Man was 20.
Yeah, my controllers were another 15. So the games weren't bad. They were all $5 or so. What you're gonna pay. Anyways, we'll see you when you see you, and hopefully we'll get some Let's Play attached to this and get rolling.
Oh, geez.
Well, I don't like it.
I don't want. I had to unplug all my consoles. Which one do you want to do first?
You want to do 7800s first? We'll start with Galiga. So we're gonna do 7800s first. And this one's Galiga. Oh, we gotta do something about that.
Yeah.
We gotta do something.
There you go. Gotta go. Just go now, because sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. Just go.
Okay. 1984.
It does look like crap on this too, but this game looks great on this.
Figure out which button it is.
It's always the middle button. If it's the Genesis controller, that's the only one that I made. This game looks great.
This is one. Oh, I won't get the thing.
You didn't get all of them.
No, you gotta have two motherships to get the web guy.
Yeah.
Or maybe he will do it. Oh. That sucked. That was weak.
That's what you gotta get too.
Yeah. In the arcade, you have to have 2 of those motherships left.
This is a good port.
This is a great port.
It's really good, yeah. I'm supposed to be able to It's gonna be so fun to climb.
I can't see the one corner because of the camera. It's so close.
Oh, the airship's got taken out.
Dang it. Guy for doing that again anyways. Because I can't see that corner. I'm blaming that. Oh.
One of these days I'm gonna save up and get a finish on. Then this TV can become the Atari TV.
Yeah.
Because it's rounded. That's why it looks so bad on camera. Because in real life, this TV looks good.
I know, you see the glare.
Yeah.
I'm actually using that because I can see the corner on this one.
Yeah, I mean, there's like no delay. I do too. But your eyes are bad. You can't
That'll screw me up when I go back to the TV. I screwed that up.
Man, that looks like an echo to it. This was one of the first games I ever played.
Definitely a CPU delay.
We used to have this on the Roku.
Yeah.
It was my first time ever playing.
Yeah.
That noise, that music's so nostalgic to me because I played it since I was like a little
Now
kid.
for me, I got to see the first arcade units. I got to live through Galaxian, came out before Galiga.
Galaxian is a great game, but I would choose Galiga over it anytime.
It was the first version.
Yeah.
You know, it was, of course it was good. It had advanced.
Well, that's what I mean. It was a great game, but once Galaga came out, Galaxian's
next game. Put a thing up.
Show it first because it's going to be loud once I take it out. I want to do it quick.
Fast food's next.
I have to be gentle. I don't want to move it and have the static come back.
This is way different.
Oh, this is a completely different game. This is like
you throw pies at the cooks. That's so cool.
This is a completely different game than the... No! I'm thinking of fast food.
What is this?
This is Food Fight.
Oh! I called it fast food too. So the point is...
Yeah, it's like Food Fight. Okay, that's like a game.
Oh, you can't go in the hole.
Okay, I think it's gonna be real fun to collect these. I'm really excited to start getting more games for it.
For 70.
Yeah.
Hey, he's gonna throw back.
We get bananas. So you gotta get to the ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, what the heck?
They hit each other.
Oh. Yeah, it's so cool, man.
You're crushing it.
Oh no, static back. What?
Alright, what's next?
We got the 7800.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Robotron.
This one we got today is Robotron.
Now, we don't know if these games use the second button or not because we don't have the proper controller.
Yeah, so we're
for
just
it.
winging it.
Yeah. We
Okay.
literally got this for $10.
Yeah,
And we just
it
got
costs
the...
us more to get it fixed than it
Yeah.
costs for the console. We got, what, $35 into this
Yep.
one?
You can barely even see the pixel bar.
Oh, I love this game.
Yeah, yeah. This
Oh, I'm so glad
everybody
we
loves
got
this game. This is like a real popular game.
Oh, I love this game.
And you can go full. That Genesis controller is really good for this one because you can go all eight directions.
Diagonals.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this game. I'm so happy we got this. You know, we're going to do 2600s next. It's gonna
Like, what the hell? What the heck is this garbage? Yeah. I think 7800 is definitely going to kick 2600 out for collecting for the good with chicken fingers?
Yep.
You're doing good here on third wheel, right? This static is freaking killing me. Oh my goodness. We gotta get a better cord.
Alright.
Yeah, like that's what 7800 you could actually like sit and play them for a while. Kitty.
You know, there's 2 inches in front of you in the TV this time, and you gotta do it still.
You see what's like
That just made it worse.
I know.
Alright.
I tried this, and it came up, but I couldn't let control it. I don't know if you know.
We'll do a neuro. Well, Mike, remember there's a number pad on there too.
Long way. No, this is my voice.
Oh, it's crazy.
Let me mess with them.
You got it screwed in the back, okay?
Yeah, it's screwed in all the way. I can mess with it for a second.
Yeah.
If you want me to.
That's worth it.
I tested it earlier.
There, it's the back one. It's
There we
definitely
go.
the back
There,
one.
okay.
So that was different.
Yeah, our cord,
Okay.
the cord I'm using is like the cheapest freaking RCA cord ever.
When do we start this?
Oh, it's reset. There you go.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Why is it off to the side? I hate the full game. I can see the game. Activision. That should be our goal, is to get all the Activision games. For the 2015. When we build the game room, we gotta build a shelf that's made for like a section. That way they'll all look good. We should be able to fit a lot on one shelf if we decide to like. It's just really thin board, so it's like the thin, like pick plywood or whatever. For the in between.
Hey, change the snow.
Oh. Activision made the best game. If you see that cartridge style, you know it's going to be an exciting. Yeah, they're all Activision made Kaboom, Pitfall, Kung Fu Master, Stampede.
I think Stampede was the first.
Yeah, they're all great games. Like Activision made so many. Kung Fu Master really is like such a. It's Kung Fu. Like it's crazy how good it looks. I'm still so surprised. It looks like it could have been a 7800 game. Yeah, it gets your time. I have to get ties. That was a long. That's right. It goes back up when you go back. Maybe that's how
distance
far.
based.
It's how far away you are from London.
Yeah, it's distance.
Your car's about to explode if you looks like garbage. It looks like it's something wrong. Okay.
Alright, that's game over. What's next? We'll do Flash Gordon. Flash!
Now that one I
Savior of the universe? Probably garbage. Most of them are garbage.
This guy might be doing it clean, though. He looks more dirty. Yeah, I think I need to get clean.
Well, we'll do.
Yeah, put this in, not clean.
Raiders of the Lost Ark. Hey.
Flash Gordon.
Oh, I've had this game. I know this game.
I'm not surprised you like the movie. Oh, so you can still mad even though it's where you are.
Yeah. Where am I?
You're the T, I think. No, you're not. You're the lion. You got guys coming over. There's a T following you. Okay, you're stuck in here.
It's like a combination of asteroids and Pac-Man.
Yeah.
Savior of the universe.
Yeah, I watched it forever ago with Mom. It was on Hulu. Yeah, that tree scene freaked me out so much. I was like, oh my god.
And the guy that looks like he should have been in, what do they call
that? What?
The guy that should have been in, like, Robin Hood, not forest guy, not in space.
A lot of them look like they shouldn't have been in space. They should have been like a fantasy, like the girl. Yeah. Didn't the girl had was her father like evil?
Yeah.
I don't remember a lot. It's been forever since I've seen that movie. This game's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm pretty bored.
Their blind symbols trying to kill you.
If you see the guy, you're supposed to make them
all of them?
The green guys, these ones you shoot.
Oh.
And then there's little green guys. Those guys